Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of comments about the removal or possible removal of all the loopholes that enable a user to get Windows 11 running on unsupported devices. And it's very interesting. So there's a lot of comments, of course. A lot of people are kind of, well, if they want more people on Windows 11, they should keep it. Yeah, in some way, but the problem is I'm pretty sure that Microsoft does not want any unsupported machine. They want real machines running the correct version, for sure. And I think really it aligns with the demise of Windows 10. They did say when Windows 11 was released that there's loopholes. They actually, even themselves with their own Windows image, did a change in it that you could clean install even without the minimum requirements. Now they're removing these, and they're removing them in a way that you can't bypass. They're removing it in a way that Windows will require the computers to be compatible. Will there be some dark, loophole somewhere that people can still use? The thing is when it gets too complicated, a lot of those that did it will stop doing it, because when it gets too complicated, people don't go there. It has to be easy to bypass for people to move on. The way I see it personally is, I get that Microsoft probably is preparing this so that when Windows 10 end of support arrives, it's either you're moving on to Windows 11 on a new PC, or you're paying for extended support. Because I could see why a certain percentage of people not wanting to pay the extended support would get the free ride to Windows 11 unsupported instead. I get it when people say, well, they want more people on Windows 11. Why are they doing that? It's more people on Windows 11. And that's true. And I mean, it works fine. And what does it really, is it a nuisance? I'm not sure it really is. I think it's Microsoft being stubborn and wanting people to move on. That's for sure. And we'll see. But we'll see up to what point they want to close it. But a lot of people are saying, yeah, they're going there. And they're going there slowly, but they're going to be there. And, I think it isn't necessarily the best idea in the world. Why not let people use Windows 11 unsupported, but if it works fine. But Microsoft did say at the beginning of Windows 11 that they would not promise anything, that if you'd run Windows 11 on an unsupported machine, anything could happen at any time, and it could stop tomorrow morning. So I guess that's where they're going. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.